If you're acquiring or managing right now a deferred maintenance property, why hasn't it been inspected regularly? I'm going to give you 3 reasons. I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. Here are 3 reasons that your property hasn't been inspected regularly. Number 1, you yourself or whoever was managing it in the past told themselves, I don't have the time. I don't want to walk around the property. I don't want to spend the time looking at stuff. I'll just wait for it to come to me. I'll use a red flag system and we'll be reactionary. Not a good strategy, but that's one reason. Number 2, the manager preferred to stay ignorant. They did not want to know. It's chosen ignorance. It's the ignorance of being in the dark on purpose. The manager didn't want to know what was going on with the property. Leads us to number 3. At the end of the day, whoever was running or managing the money on the property didn't want to spend money on maintenance, on replacement, on improving the property. They wanted it to bleed money so then they could get rid of it. So the 3 reasons, again, are time, chosen ignorance, and money. But here's the thing. That money spent on the property is going to return to you 5, 10, 100-fold, depending on how you use it and how you invest it. As long as it's chosen wisely, that's going to be money well spent. Check us out at WBTC3.com. We have a ton of resources for owners, managers, investors, and other inspectors. Thanks so much.